buying my first sport bike was one of the best decisions I've ever made. If you're thinking about buying your first super sport tour, you just bought one. This video could save you from making the same mistakes. 1. It's not as comfortable as you think. Sport bikes are designed for performance, not comfort. Your wrists, back, neck, and knees will probably hurt after longer rides, especially during your first few weeks. Short rides are fine, but after an hour or two you'll understand why so many riders take regular breaks. 2. The insurance can be a shock. I was focused on the purchase price. For many new riders, insurance on a supersport can be surprisingly expensive. Before buying your bike, get an insurance quote first. It might change your decision. 3. You don't need all 100 horsepower. Most of the time, you're only using a small percentage of what the bike can actually do. A 600cc sport bike has more performance than most riders will ever fully use on public roads. Focus on improving your skills, not chasing more horsepower. 4. Good gear is part of the bike budget. I spent nearly all my money on the bike. Then I realized I still needed a quality helmet, jacket, gloves, boots, and riding pants. Protective gear isn't an accessory, it's part of the cost of owning a motorcycle. 5. Slow speed riding is harder than fast riding. Everyone dreams about carving corners, but the real challenge? U-turns, parking lots, stop-start traffic. That's where many new riders struggle. Practice slow speed control and your confidence will improve everywhere else. 6. Maintenance never stops. A motorcycle needs attention. Tires wear faster than you expect. 7. Riding skills matter more than modifications. It's tempting to buy exhausts, mirrors, levers, and lots of accessories, but none of those make you a better rider. Spend money on rider training before spending it on performance parts. It's one of the best upgrades you'll ever make. 8. Everyone drops a bike eventually. Almost everyone has a story. Usually it's a slow speed drop in a driveway or car park. Learn from it. Don't let it stop your riding. 9. Ride your own ride. When riding with friends, don't try to keep up with the fastest rider. Ride at your own pace. Confidence grows naturally with experience. 10. The community is better than the bike. The biggest surprise wasn't the motorcycle. It was the people, the friendships, the conversations, the road trips, the memories. The bike gets you there, but it's the community that makes motorcycling special. If I could go back and talk to myself before buying my first sport bike, these are the things I'd say. What advice would you give your younger self before buying your first motorcycle? Leave your tips in the comments. I read everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next ride.